getting ready for our first launch of the season, guys. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Alright, we got the walkies this time so Kevin can help guide me because I'm still not like, you know, a pro at this, but let's go. Let me know when you're clear.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, slow and steady, slow and steady.
Yeah, keep it, driver. Driver. Slowly towards passenger, straighten it up. There you go. Straighten it up. There you go. Now straight back. There you go, you got it. Slow, okay? So, you're gonna dip the trailer wheel in the water. I'm gonna start it up, then go. Alright, keep going.
So this is why I like to go in the morning if I'm launching, just, you know, because again, I'm not a pro. Kevin helps guide me in. I know like the simple basics, I guess, but
Keep going.
yeah, it's just all about communication and teamwork for sure.
You're good.
Alright, so he's in.
Go ahead, pull up.
We made it. Alright, let's get her all parked. Make sure everything's locked. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go hit the water, guys. Ooh, the water looks good. There's Kevin over there waiting for me. Alright, he's holding it steady. This is about the time I need to start taking off my sandals so I can hop on. Good. Let's go. Water is a little muggy. Don't know if you guys can tell, but ugh. Alright guys, so you just saw me launch, you just saw me hop on the boat, and that's basically rules 1 and 2 of just boat etiquette, boat rules. You definitely want to be courteous at the boat launch, so that's why we launch early, because I'm not a pro yet, so I definitely don't want to hold up the line. If it was super busy, I'll totally have Kevin just launch. I'll be in the boat and then he'll switch off, and then I'll just drag the car back up to its parking spot. But you totally want to be courteous at the launch. And number 2 was that I took off my shoes. These boats, guys, like, let's help the boat owners, you know, keep it clean, keep it nice, you know. So definitely no shoes. So we have areas for our flip-flops and stuff on our boat. So if you guys remember some of our walkthroughs, we have them back here. So we have the fenders. That's our new fenders, by the way. I'll go through that soon. And then there's another one here. But so if you don't have a storage solution for, you know, guests' flip-flops and stuff, I recommend just going to the Dollar Tree, guys, and getting like a basket like this. Well, we're putting all of our chemicals and stuff in here. This is just cleaning stuff because we like to clean as we go. But just get a basket like this. and people can just totally throw their sandals and flip-flops in there. So that's rule 2, is just, you know, just be a little bit courteous. And then if you guys want to see, we have a hanger system going on in here for the life vest, towels, and whatnot. So another rule would be, so when you guys saw Kevin at the, I guess this is part of rule 1 as well, when you guys are at the launch. So when your partner is getting the boat in the water, go on the other side, or how Kevin had it at the end, so I can just step off. That way you can allow people to continue to launch. You know, you don't want to hold up the line. It wasn't busy in the morning, so you just don't want to hold up the line. So just be a little courteous. Put your boat or vessel on the other side of the launch, where they're off the launch ramp, basically on the other side, so that you're not in the other way of another truck coming down with their vessel. And let's go through some more, I guess, like either rules and or tips. All right, so another, guys, if you guys have rules of your own, definitely just throw it in the comments.
Hello guys.
These are just our personal rules. So Kevin's in the water right now. Of course, the engine's off. This is a jet boat, so we don't have a prop or anything, but you always want to make sure your engine is off when someone's in the water. Or if you are a guest and someone wants to get in the water, just let the captain know so we can turn off.
Anything that happens.
Just don't jump off the boat while the engine's running. Don't sit on the back deck here if the engine, or, you know, you just want to be safe, because there's moving parts, there's fumes, you know, all of the above. Just try to be a little bit safe when you're a guest on somebody's boat. And I guess that leads to the next rule, is just listen to the captain. Just listen if they need help, you know, if watching lines, watching for people in their surrounding areas. Just keep an eye out. You know, I know everyone's trying to have a good time, but I think we just all need to keep our awareness. And if you guys are drinking, please drink responsibly. We have a wake boat, so if you guys are wakeboarding, water skiing, whatever, try to watch out for the line.
Oh, yeah.
Try to watch out for the line. We don't have a prop, however, we do have the jets, and they get sucked into those intake thingies in the back of the transom. So we've obviously had our fair share of rope, you know, getting stuck into the jets and all that stuff. So yeah, just be a little mindful. Try to help the captain, watch for the lines, watch for people, watch for other vessels, you know, and just be a little bit mindful.
Look out for orange flags on
Yeah,
boats.
just be a little bit mindful, be safe. And when you pass another vessel and you do see somebody in water, just, you know, give them a signal that you know someone's in the water, because that's what those orange flag sticks are for, is just to let you know somebody's in the water. Just slow down. And another, I guess, the no wake zones, guys. They have those little buoys up saying 5 miles per hour, so that you're not exceeding that speed limit, for the safety of people around you. So slow down, because there's people there. That's what's called a no wake zone. You don't want to cause any wakes coming in or out of that area, so don't do it. Don't be speeding through it. We've seen a lot of people speed through it, and it's not that they're trying to be inconsiderate or anything. It's just they don't know, and you just gotta let them know. I think we had, like last season, we just honked our horn, just let them know, like, you know, that you gotta slow down, you know, there's people in the water. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna head in a little bit. We're just hanging out. It's the first dip of the season, so yeah, we're just gonna camp for the night so that we're not hitting traffic or anything on the way home. The water's a little bad. I think it's still low right now. It's the beginning of the season, but we're gonna head back to camp, enjoy the rest of the night. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, if you guys have any suggestions or any rules that you have personally on your vessel, let us know, or let all of us know. We'd like to know in the comments. So we'll see you guys back at camp. Alright, so we're getting in. So that's what I mean about go on the other side of the dock so people can come down. So they're doing good. They're on the other side. And there's another one. Now there's more room for people to come down. So you're not in anyone's way. Just got to camp. Kevin's blowing out our truck bed camper situation. Blowing that out. Alright guys, that is it for the day. Thanks for joining us along this weekend. We're just gonna call it a night. Just right when we wake up, we're gonna head home. It was just a quick, one-nighter just to get the boat out into the water. It's gonna be a good one. So far, everything looks good. We'll see you guys next weekend.
Bye. See ya.